Let us learn about logarithm today. First, we must understand what is logarithm. So, we define it like this: log of a number is the power to which the base is raised in order to get the number. An easy example would be, let us say 1000 can be written as 10 raised power 3. So, if we say log of 1000 to the base 10, it is equal to 3. So you see that 3 is the power or exponent over here, and base is 10. So when we raise the base to the power, then we get the number. So 3 is the log of 1000 to the base 10. Now base can be anything. So we will take random base as A, and we'll first write down the laws of logarithm. First law is if two numbers are getting multiplied. So let us say log of x multiplied by y to the base a. This can be written as log of x to the base a plus log of y to the base a. Similarly, we can apply log to two numbers which are being divided, and the base is a. So if the two numbers is the quotient of two numbers, then if the product is having sum in between, quotient will have minus in between. So it is log of x to the base a minus log of y to the base a. Third law is log of x to the base a, and x is raised to the power n. So this can be written as n log x to the base a. Fourth law is, it is also called the base change law. Base change law. So it is log of b to the base a. So let us say we want to change it to some other base c. So change it to base c. So this can be written as log b to the base a is log b to the base c divided by log a to the base c. Then there are certain other things that we have to remember. That is log of, these are basically applications of whatever we have done so far. So some of the applications of the above laws are as follows. Log of 1 to the base a, or log of 1 to any base is equal to 0. Why? Because as we have defined logarithm, so we already know that from laws of exponents that any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So a is a base, power is 0, and the answer will be 1. So this is one of the consequences of the logarithm. Then if it is log a to the base a, that is equal to 1. This is because, again, we take the base raised to the power 1, which is equal to a. So log a to the base a is 1. And similarly, we can say that another example, we can take log a raised to the power to the base a will become r log a to the base a. Now log a to the base a, we can see from here is equal to 1. So this is simply r into 1, which is equal to r. Another thing that we can write is log of 1 by b to the base a. This will be This can be actually written as, since it's a quotient, we know that it will be log 1 to the base a minus log b to the base a. So since log 1 to any base is 0, so this is 0 minus log b to the base a. So this implies we can simply write log 1 by b to the base a is simply minus log b to the base a. Now we will apply all these laws of logarithm to solve a few problems. Let's look at these two problems. Here the two logs are getting subtracted. So when we simplify this, this can be written as log, the base will be 3 because both the numbers have base 3. When it is getting subtracted, it will be divided. So this will become log 81 to the base 3. And this can be written as log 3 raised power 4 to the base 3, or 4 times log 3 to the base 3. Since we know log 3 to the base 3 is 1, it is simply 4. Similarly, we look at the next problem. Here the two log numbers with the same base 10 are getting added. So numbers will get multiplied. So this will be log to the base 10 of 2 into 5. So this will become log of 10 to the base 10, which is nothing but equal to 1. Now, another type of question which is coming from the basic definition is express in exponential form. So let us say 5 is equal to log of 1024 to the base 4. So what does that mean? That if I raise the base is 4 to the power 5, I should get the number. So this is the logarithmic form and this is the exponential form from definition. Now we have to simplify this expression using the laws of logarithm. So base is 3 and this is the exponent of the term. So first of all, we can take the exponent here. This is written as 2 log 5 x raised to 5 and square root of y. To the base 3. Then we can further simplify this. These are getting multiplied and this is getting divided. So the terms which are multiplied, they will get added and this one will get subtracted. So this will be twice log 5 to the base 3 plus log x to the power 5 minus log square root of y. And all of them will have the base 3. So this can again be written as 2 log of 5 to the base 3. And we can still leave the 2 out. And this will become 5 log x to the base 3. And square root y means it's raised by half. So this will become minus half log y to the base 3. Now we can open the bracket and this can be written as 2 log 5 to the base 3 plus 5 to the 10. So this will be 10 log x to the base 3 and this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled and this will be log minus log y to the base 3. That is the final answer. We can do another one. This was the first one and we can do, let's say this question A. Question B is we have to simplify log of 49 to the base 4 divided by log of 7 to the base 4. So how do we simplify this? We can write this as log of 7 square to the base 4 divided by log of 7 to the base 4. So now using laws of logarithm, it can be written as 2 log of 7 to the base 4 divided by log 7 to the base 4. So these two will get cancelled and the answer is simply 2. Let's do one more question in which we have to solve for x. Solve for x. So it is log x plus 2 minus log x minus 1 is equal to 1. So we have to solve for x. So since it is getting subtracted, we can say, let us, when no base is mentioned, we always assume the base is 10. So we can say this is equal to log x plus 2 divided by x minus 1. And this will be log to the base 10 is equal to 1. Now using the laws of the definition of logarithm, we can say that x plus 2 upon x minus 1 is equal to 10 raised power 1, or it is equal to 10. So now this implies cross multiplying, we get x plus 2 is equal to 10x minus 1, or x plus 2 is equal to 10x minus 10. So this implies that 2 plus 10 is equal to 10x minus x, or 12 is equal to 9x. This implies that x is equal to 12 by 9, or it is equal to x is equal to 4 by 3. So that's all about the laws of logarithm. We can have more complex problems applying the same laws, but the basic rules remain the same.